In this video, you will see how to create a child theme. Open the Add New Plugin page. Search with Child Theme. Install this Child Theme Configurator plugin. Activate it. Now, under the Tools menu, select Child Themes. Select a theme for which you want to generate the child theme. Click on this Analyze button. Leave all the configurations as they are. Now, this configuration is important. If you want to import all the customizations from the main theme, then check this. You can also add theme information manually. Next, click on the Create New Child Theme button. Congratulations! The child theme is created successfully. Next, open the Files tab. From here, you can copy the files from the parent theme to the child theme. Let's copy the header.php from the parent theme. We can use this file to add different types of external codes to the theme, like Google Analytics, AdSense, etc. Now you can activate the child theme from the Themes section. You can add your external codes to the child theme header file. Now you will not lose any external codes from the header or any other files when the parent theme gets a new update. After generating the child theme, you can delete the Child Theme Configurator plugin. Please like, share, and comment. Visit positivegeek.com for more useful contents.